Okay, on this problem we need to distribute then simplify. Now it might be tempting at the beginning of the problem to do 9 minus 3 first. Well, that would be incorrect, but why is it incorrect? Well, if you look at order of operations, we need to multiply before we can subtract. And so this negative 3 has to be multiplied in, or 3, however you want to think of it, minus 3, needs to be multiplied in before we can subtract the 9 minus. So we're going to start and just write the 9 down here, and then we're going to go ahead and distribute this. So it's a negative 3 times 7x. We can kind of break this down. And then negative 3 plus a negative 3 times 4. Now let's simplify. So negative 3 times 7x, we're going to get 21x minus 12. And now we want to combine like terms. So we've got 9, negative 12. We want to make sure to keep that sign in front of the 12. So 9 minus 12, we get negative 3. Still minus 21x again. We want to keep the sign in front of that number. That's our final answer. Now to write it more correctly, you usually want to write in descending order, which means the x term would be first. So we'll just rewrite it, keeping the signs in front of the number, so negative 21x, and then minus 3 for our final answer.